Talking up a storm, huh? Talking up a storm? You can talk some more? Give me a little talking. Not more hiccups.
He has gotten hiccups every time he was on his back today.
Oh well. Have your hand sickle.